Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Morning Star DS1. This fantastic early game weapon is a must-have for many adventurers. You can find it quite early in your journey, offering a significant advantage. It's located in a somewhat hidden spot within the Firelink Shrine, a central hub you'll visit often. Getting it requires a bit of careful navigation, but the reward is well worth the effort for its unique properties and damage output. To begin your quest for the Morning Star, start at the Firelink Shrine bonfire. From there, head directly up the stairs situated behind Petrus of Thorolund, the cleric. Continue following this path upwards. You'll soon reach an area with an elevator shaft. This elevator typically leads to the Undead Parish, but we're looking for a different route here. Stay alert as you approach this section. Once you are at the elevator shaft, look for an opening where you can safely drop down. Do not take the elevator itself. Instead, carefully descend onto a hidden ledge below the main floor. This ledge contains a few chests. The Morning Star is nestled inside one of these containers, waiting for you to claim it. Be sure to check all the chests to secure your prize. The Morning Star is a formidable weapon, requiring just 11 strength to wield effectively. It boasts a powerful strike attack type and, notably, inflicts 300 bleed buildup per strike. This makes it exceptionally useful against many early-game foes, including the troublesome skeletons in the catacombs. Its durability is also quite good, making it a reliable choice for extended exploration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.